Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing chimichurri. Alright, so now let's go through the ingredients we'll be needing for today's recipe. So first thing, we need red bell pepper, we need garlic, we need onions. You cannot do without onions. We need parsley, we need yellow bell pepper, green onions or spring onions as some people call it, and then voila, that's it. So the next thing we'll be doing will be chopping everything up. Alright, so let's do a little bit of choppy. So we'll be needing 2 cups of the parsley. All I'm doing right here is just pouring it into my blender. At this point you can use any blender or you can put it in a bowl, whatever works for you, but I don't know, I just like to make my life easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 cups of parsley inside of my blender, and then I pick up my onions, slice it up, and then throw it inside my blender. After that, I pick up the next thing, which I believe is the garlic. Don't get me wrong, you can pick up anything you feel like, but I just felt like doing it this way. That's it. And then the next thing I did was I added the spring onions or green onions as some people call it. Just throw it in, and that's it. So at this point my blender was full, so I couldn't really fit in the peppers inside at this point, but what I did was I sliced the peppers and I kept them in a separate bowl, different from this particular one. Alright, so keep slicing. Woohoo! The next thing now I'll be doing is just to blend it up, and that's it. Just blend it up. If you notice, the peppers are not inside of my blender right now, so I'm just going to blend using my Ninja blender in the setting low and just blend it up, and that's it for now. Alright, so let's let it blend. Alright, so now I'll just be adding my peppers to it and then try to like shake up my blender, that way it's easy to blend. Oh yeah, we're almost ready. Oh my gosh, look at that sauce. Oh my gosh, how can you not have this sauce in your kitchen? Like how can you even cook without this sauce? Like literally, I use this sauce for everything. I use it to like marinate my chicken, turkey. I use it to make noodles. I use it for literally everything. So right here I'm just kind of transferring to my mason jar and just, you know, having fun with it and taking good care of my sauce. You know, you have to take good care of your sauce, you know. Oh my gosh, this sauce goes with everything and anything. Trust me, you literally can use it to cook anything. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you try it out. When you try it out, please let me know what did you use it for. Like, have you ever used it before? Are you familiar with it? Like, you know, let me know. So this is my secret ingredients, but guess what, please try to share, subscribe, and please like this video if you enjoy watching it. And yes, I will be posting even more videos in a little bit. Alright, thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.